Bagong lahat, kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa aking video.
Happy Science Month to all of you. I'm Banya Glendan and from Grade 10 Loyalty, proudly presenting my recycled gown for EFAT. This gown was inspired to the brightest star in the solar system, which is the sun. Also, it represents the gift of light and bring about life. The sun is one of the luminaries in the star. Sun represents people's personalities and egos and their spirit. The sun is the identity and the face that the world will see. Sun gives people the power to meet the challenges in their everyday life.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. 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 Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.